Balitang siguradong ikinatuwa netong ilan sa mga Filipino fans matapos ang malaking panalo na nakuha ng Team Pilipinas kagabi kalaban ng China. Yan matapos mong ilike ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bulero, talagang marami sa mga Filipino fans ang nagdiwang dito sa malaking panalo na nakuha ng Team Pilipinas kontra sa China. Especially na matapos tayong mabigo sa ating nakalipas na 4 na laban, sa wakas ay nagawa na rin ang mga bata natin na makasungkit ng panalo. Matapos maling pangunahan ni Clarkson ang bansa with 34 points, 2 rebounds, and 3 assists. Napawang sinundan ni Renza Bando with 14 at 12 naman para kay Soto. Kung saan natapos ang game na lamang ng 21 points ang Pilipinas, 96-75. Pero maliban sa panalong yan, marami rin sa atin ang labis na kinatuwa etong malaking binunyag ni Chot sa isang panayam matapos ang laban.
I really don't know. I don't know if I'm still gonna be here for that. I might have coached my last game already as the Gilas Pilipinas coach. So I really don't know.
Are you stepping down from your position or it is a decision from SPP?
No, I haven't heard anything from management. It is my decision. Like everybody knows, I didn't apply for this job. I didn't volunteer. I was given this mandate. I had already retired from coaching the national team, and through all the preparation and through all these times, I always said that, you know, judge us on the performance in the World Cup, regardless of what happened between the time I was appointed and today. I said judge us by a performance, and obviously we did not perform. We didn't perform, and like I said the last game, I take full accountability, and because of that, I think it is time for me to step aside. I hate using the word resign because I'm not a quitter. I am not a quitter.